Hi everyone, welcome back to David's tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to activate your Merrick Bank Credit Card. So there are actually several options. So first, the online activation. You need first to go to their activation page, which is the logon.merrickbank.com, and enter the following details, which includes your new credit card number, the last four digits of your SSN, and your date of birth. Then click Activate and your card should be ready to use immediately. Next is mobile app activation. You can download and open the Merrick Bank mobile app on your Android or iOS device. Then log in using your regular credentials, then tap the Activate Card option. Submit any required security info, which would include credit card number, SSN number, and also your date of birth. Then wait for a few seconds and your card will be activated. For phone activations, you can call their hotline number, which is the 1-800-204-5936, or use the activation number printed on the sticker or your welcome letter from your card. Then follow the automated prompts or speak with a representative. Then you should be able to provide them your details, which includes the SSN, the card number, date of birth, etc. And activation is typically instant with this method. And that is all. Thank you.